Hey guys, in this video today we'll be installing the ViviLink VX510 rear view camera. This particular camera records in 2.5K and 1080p resolution, has dual cameras for front and rear, voice control, touchscreen, night vision, emergency locking, and parking assist. And inside the box we have the rear view mirror itself, which has the front facing camera. Then we have the rear view camera, the charger, a couple of straps, the orange prying tool, and a couple manuals. I'm going to be replacing the 8-man C550 which I have mounted up on the dash here. I'm going to put the ViviLink right on top of my existing rear view mirror. And it does have these clips where I'm going to put the rubber bands around. It's just going to rubber band to that rear view mirror. I've attached these rubber bands around two of the hooks, just dangling right now. And those two rubber bands were able to make its way around my existing rearview mirror. Now looking at it, it looks like it's not fully covering my existing mirror, and I'm going to adjust that because you're able to adjust the left part of the camera, you're able to stretch that out, so then I should be able to cover the whole mirror. Now that I'm removing the film, I'm able to see clearly out the back if I decide to do so that way. So now I'm going to pull on that camera just outward, just so now I can overlay the rearview mirror properly. Of course, gotta remember to remove that film so you don't get the yellow tint. And now with the rearview mirror on, it looks very good, the brightness is solid, it's just the camera picking up the glare. But the glare is minimal actually when I'm looking at it in person. And here's another view of the mirror from the driver's seat. You could see the glare of the back window, so I just tilt it down so I don't see my back window while I'm driving. Now going into the settings, there's a plethora of settings over here. Going with the resolution, you can do loop recording, time-lapse, record the audio versus not. You have G-sensor sensitivity even in parking mode, so it will be able to record when the car is stopped and off, which is cool. The encoding can be changed as well as having a USB mode to connect to the PC. And you can even toggle like the sounds and stuff like that. And when you scroll down, there are more settings, like the speech recognition, factory reset, and formatting the SD card. The speech recognition one will show you the different commands that you can tell the camera to do, like turning the mirror on and off. When you're outside the car, this is what the rearview mirror looks like. You just have that camera sticking out a bit, and you have the rubber bands going around your existing rearview mirror. And now for the wires, I'm just going to route them up along the headliner, down across these different trim panels, and then into the dashboard. The micro SD slot is up here. Just want to note that it doesn't come with a micro SD card. Next, we're going to install the camera that faces the rear. There's a lot of wires, and it is the appropriate length for my car, which is a 4-door sedan. I have the camera facing out the back like this, just sitting on top of the third brake light. The wires will just follow the edge of the trim here, go all the way down here, go underneath this particular trim piece, and all the way to the front, where it gets tucked along here, and then makes its way back to the camera, following the same way that I did with the power wire. And now with it installed, we could see out the back just fine, and you can toggle the different camera settings. But there you guys have it. Super impressive camera, good resolution, good video playback and features, and I'm definitely going to be keeping it on. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.